अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज ही मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का विलेज लाइफ। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1, विलेज लाइफ इज़ ऑफन characterized by simplicity, closeness to nature and a strong sense of community. Number 2, life in a village typically revolves around agriculture, small scale industries and traditional practices. Number 3, the people of villages are wake up early and work hard, especially during farming seasons. Number 4, villages are usually surrounded by greenery, forests, rivers or mountains. Number 5, people live closer to the land, often engaging in farming, fishing or livestock rearing. Number 6, crops are grown often for personal consumption or local markets. Number 7, in a village, pure milk, butter and fresh fruits and vegetables are readily available. Number 8, homes are often modest and life revolves around basic needs rather than luxuries. Number 9, in village the air is cleaner, and the environment is less polluted than urban areas. Number 10, villages generally have a smaller population compared to towns and cities. Number 11, villages are known for strong social bonds, neighbors often support one another during celebrities or hardships. Number 12, many villagers retain their traditions such as handmade crafts, folk music and dance. Number 13, most villagers are involved in agriculture, growing crops or rearing animals. Number 14. Limited access to health care, education and modern infrastructure can make life in villages challenging. Number 15. Migration of young people to cities for better opportunities, leading to a declining population in many villages. Number 16. Provide education and vocational training to women to make them financially independent. Number 17. Offer sports facilities and recreational activities to engage the youth. Number 18. Build better roads to connect villagers to nearby towns, making it easier to access markets, schools and hospitals. Number 19. Provide affordable internet access to connect the villagers to the world. Number 20. Build community centers for social gathering, cultural events and skill development programs. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आए तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।